Hello guys, welcome back to another LSPDFR tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to install United Callouts by this person right here. Shout out to them. Let's go ahead and click download this file. Agree and download. And then that's going to install. So we're going to wait and wait. There we go, it's done. So I'm going to open that with WinRAR. Go to my GTA 5 main directory. Link to this mod will be in the description down below. I'm going to click United Callouts, Grand Theft Auto 5. I'm going to copy these two folders. I'm going to drag and drop in my GTA 5 main directory. Now, if you're just now installing this, you will not get this pop-up, but I already have it installed, so it's asking me to replace the files. So that's what I'm going to do, replace, and then it is installed. It is installed. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.